So this is the second attempt to record the assembly process. I have already imported using the assembly tool workbench this button, not this import, that's different. So using that and selecting the sub-assemblies from here, it takes some time because there are so many, there are about 400 parts, 350 each axis, so let's keep that part and go ahead and mount them. So this is the y-axis. I will go ahead and mount it at the other side, no, at this side, which is not the convenient place because it was already mounted, so I will do the hard way. So I am using the plane constraints and selecting the faces. So you can see this face, this is not the correct orientation. You can use this button for changing the last constraint. So don't worry about that, it's only one constraint. It needs 3 to be in place. So that's the first, this is the second, this, okay, and then I will use this plate to mount it because this carriage is higher, it's longer than the other two. I will use this carriage to mount it here, and I will go ahead and put offset this by 1 millimeter. So if you want to edit and constraint, you can, as soon as you are assembly tool here, you can click on the constraint and right click, you have that menu and you can select objects, so it will show you which objects you used, or you can use the object elements. So you see this is highlighted and the top face of this carriage should be highlighted. So I know this is the constraint I want. Go here and offset it by 1 millimeter, not 1 inch, minus 1 millimeter. So there is a gap between this carriage and the top plate. The same process I'm using for the other axis. Mount. Okay, again it's opposite. Be aware when you do assemblies that the first object, in this case the frame, has a fixed position. So you can see here it has fixed position. This field is true while every other field has false. Sometimes it gets buggy, and if you try to constrain two objects that have true here, it will crash. So I'm missing. Right now I want to constrain this to the top plate, so I cannot really go in there. I can just use that move button of that workbench, move it out of the way, and then select what I would like to select, and that's it. Don't worry about these nuts. The sub-assemblies are not done, it's just a quick tutorial. And then again I want to offset it from the top plate. It should be the last one. Let's double check. So is it highlighted? Yes, you can see the top plate is highlighted. So, oh, which one is that? This. Okay, so go here and -1 mm. Okay, so I will go ahead now and mount the X axis between the two Y axis. I don't need the frame. Press space, take it out of the way. Move this out of the way with the move button. I press the M. I put a shortcut for the tools I use often. So I could use a circular constraint and use that bolt over here. Use this, but I don't trust the circular constraints for now. They are kind of buggy, so I will try them now. Cancel. Let's save it first. Just okay, circular constraint, select that bolt face, and then let's see if it works. Okay, it worked, but I don't really trust it. So I will just go ahead and remove it. I know that this fit perfect, so I will put regular plane constraints. And this button, the animate, its use is to double check if you are missing constraints. So you can see that it's not fully constrained right now. You can animate and see what is not constrained. So as I'm constraining this, you will see that this gets smaller. So one constraint is missing, which is this one. No, I cannot constrain it here. So I will try. I don't think it will work. Yeah. Anyway, I should have let the circular constraint there. So it's not fully constrained, but it's okay. It works for now. Okay. Top view, you can see it fits. If it was not the perfect match here, the opposite side, I would open the file of the subassembly and then I will open this rod which was used to assemble the sub-assembly X file, so it will be this file, and I will change its dimension, so that's its height, but I'm not doing that right now, it's okay. So yeah, that's for now. I will add the Z-axis and then the extruder. Thanks for watching.